What are you realistically doing to get better as a trader, right? So today is Monday. Today is August the 21st. Trading action is over for the day. What is one thing that you worked on today? Because if you're not actively working on past mistakes, if you're not actively working on your edge, if you're not actively working on emotions, how are you actually going to expect to be consistent? How are you actually going to expect to get better at this business and this craft, which is trading, right? Now, a lot of times, especially newer traders, or maybe people who haven't really found that level of consistency and that level of, kind of success yet. A lot of traders think that it's the market, right? They think that it's their edge. They think that it's, it was a piece of news content that came out that was the reason why they didn't win the trade. It's because whoever they're following on social media gave them a bad tip, and when in fact it's you, the reason why you're not being consistent. So what are you doing to actively get better as a trader? Does that mean putting in more screen time? And by screen time, that doesn't mean simply looking and watching the market as it's open go up and down. I'm starting to use a term, chart warrior, right? We don't want to be chart warriors where we're just constantly battling ourselves in watching the charts and watching the candlesticks without actively taking trades. We want to actively be taking trades, because it's not until we're in an active trade where we can kind of see our emotional levels kind of go up and down to see exactly what mistakes or what successes that we're currently having. If your mistakes or your problems that you have is, taking too many trades, over trading, what did you do today to actually fix that? Did you lose a trade and stop trading on the day? Did you take 1-2 winners and stop trading on a day? What did you actively do? Is it jumping in too late? Is it FOMO? Is it, reading social media, getting a tip late and then jumping in? What did you actively do to fix that mistake today? There's a number of different mistakes that people are making on an each and every single day basis. Is it fear, right? So if your mistake is fear, if your problem is fear, entering trades and fear of losing and fear of being wrong and fear of this and fear of that, did you actively just take a trade, right? Just say, screw the hell with it and just get into the trade, right? You've seen your setup. It's according and following your edge. Did you take the trade? You need to actively be doing things that are going to actively get you better as a trader. So again, everyone's problems are different. What my problems can be completely different than your problems, but the first thing that you need to do is actively start tackling these problems day by day. And today being Monday is a perfect day to do so. Again, there's never going to be a perfect setup. There's never going to be, the perfect time in the market. Every time you kind of sit there and think, well, we're oversold now, I'll kind of wait for a pullback. It's too late, right? The next time you think, well, the market is overbought, I'm going to wait for, a new breakout, right? It's too late. When you think the market is oversold and you're going to wait for a dip buy, it's too late. There's never the perfect time to enter the market. Either we're in 3 cycles in the market, right? We're in a bear cycle where we're going down, we're in a bull cycle where the market is moving higher, and we're in a distribution phase where the market is range bound and it's trading from the top of the range to the bottom, from the bottom of the range back to the top. In any type of market is a decent and okay time to trade the market. Whether you're long bias, short bias, it doesn't really matter. All you need to do is be on the right side of the move. And the way that you're going to get past these problems is by actively taking trades. So starting today, starting tomorrow, whenever it is that you're going to take the next trade, whenever it is that you're going to come into the market, actively pick out one problem that you've been facing and tackle it head on. The only way you're going to gain confidence and experience is this business by tackling these problems day by day on a daily and consistent basis. Again, don't be scared to take the trades. Start tomorrow. If you didn't already start today, start tomorrow. Write down what your problem is, right? So start writing down these problems and take a series of trades, 10, 15, 20 trades in a row, tackling that one specific problem. As soon as you kind of get over the hump and you get over the kind of fear of that one particular problem, you move on to the next, and you move on to the next, and you move on to the next. And there's going to be a point in time where something starts to click and it becomes natural. And when it becomes natural, you start to become a lot more consistent. If you guys are interested in learning all of the exercises and practices and teachings and want to trade with myself and the Evolution Traders team, make sure you guys become a lifetime member to evolutiontraders.com. Again, check it out. All my information is down below in the description box. Also, do me a huge favor, give me a thumbs up on this video. It helps the video get out to more people. It helps the video get out to more traders, so more eyes can start to see and start to catch wave with what's going on over here at Evolution Traders. I'll see you guys all in the next video.